بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
يا مرحبا باللي حلوا علينا ضيوف، كل الغلا والحب بقدومهم مصروف. يا مرحبا باللي حلوا علينا ضيوف.
Full blast.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. This is Mr. Ayman القطان from الشافعي Educational Channel. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to explain the past symbol of the verb be. The past symbol of the verb be. Of course, verb to be or verb be consists of am, is, are in the present. But today we are talking about the past. So the past of verb be is, was, and were. Look at this affirmative sentence. Of course, we use was with I, he, she, it. You can say I was, he was, she was, it was. But were is used with pronouns or plural pronouns, just like we, you, they. We say, for example, we were, you were, and so on. So now, how can we make a negative sentence in the past symbol of the verb be? Of course, it's so easy to put not after was or were. So you can say, I wasn't, you weren't, she wasn't, we weren't, and so on. Let's move to the questions. How can I form a question? How can I form a yes or no question with the past symbol of the verb be? Of course, you can say, for example, was I, or were you, or was he, was she, was it. So you have to put was at the very beginning of the sentence. The same thing with the verb were. Where also we have to put it at the very beginning of the sentence. And of course, it is followed by the pronoun or the subject of the verb, if it is pronoun or noun, and the main verb and the question mark at the end of the sentence. How can I answer shortly for the question was or were? Of course, you can say, as for example, were you at home yesterday? You can say, yes, I was. Or also you can say, yes, you were. Another question, was he or was she or was it? You can say, yes, he was. Or no, he wasn't. That's for the short answers for what we call the question or the yes or no question. We use the past simple tense for the past actions and situations, of course. So if you want to talk about past actions or past situations that happened in a specific time in the past, you have to use the past simple tense. Also, there are some time expressions which we use when we are talking about the past, just like yesterday, yesterday morning. Also, the word last, last you can say last night, last Wednesday, last Friday, and so on. Now we are talking about there was and there were. So what is the difference between there was and there were? There was, it means in Arabic, it means in Arabic يوجد, ولكن يوجد للمفرد. And also there were, it means يوجد ولكن يوجد للإيش؟ للجمع. For affirmative sentence, there was, there were. If you want to negate there was, you can say there wasn't or there weren't. If I want to make a question for there was or there were, simply you can put was or were at the beginning of a sentence, So you can say was there or were there and so on. Also you can answer shortly, yes there was or no there wasn't. Let's go to the questions. Complete with was. Question number 1. Complete the sentence with the past simple or the verbs in brackets. Where you go last Tuesday. Of course here we have past simple tense. So we need a helping verb in the past. It will be where did you go last Tuesday? B. I go to my friend's house. The verb go here need to be in the past. Of course, this is an irregular verb. So it will be I went to my friend's house. We not see you at the bowling alley. Here the verbs is see. This is a present simple. So we need to put it in the past. We didn't see you at the bowling alley. 3. Omar be at school yesterday. Here we have yesterday. Of course, we need to change be into was. Was Omar at school yesterday? No, he stayed at home yesterday. No, he stayed at home yesterday. He stayed at home yesterday. This is for question number 1. Let's begin question number 2. Complete with was, wasn't, were, weren't. Of course, was and wasn't are used for the singular nouns or pronouns, but were and weren't are used for the plural pronouns. For number 1, where space you yesterday? The pronoun here is you, so we need to use where. Where were you yesterday? Were you at home? Were you at home? No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't. I was with Auntie. I was with Auntie. We were at the museum. We were at the museum. Space it, good. Was it good? Why did we use the word was? We used it because the pronoun here is singular. Yes, it was. Dan and I were at the new skate park last weekend. Dan and I were. Why did we use were here? That's because the subject of the verb is a plural. Space it exciting. Was it exciting? Why was? Because it is a singular pronoun. It is a singular pronoun. Yes, it was fantastic. Yes, it was fantastic. Yesterday there were not, there weren't any people in the park because it was good and windy. Because it's good and windy. Thank you very much for joining us, and I hope you a nice day. We are going to come again and meet in another lesson. Thank you very much.
سر بنا نحو العلا والمجد إنا أمة العلم وسل إن شئت عنا. سر بنا نحو العلا والمجد